Watch the words fly with Amanda.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Watch the Words Fly. My name is Amanda, and today I am going to read you the book, Bear Snores On. In this book, we are going to see which animals join Bear in his cave while he is sleeping through that long winter. Well, I'm ready. I hope you're ready too. On to our book, Bear Snores On. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, he gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. It was so sweet at the end seeing Bear join in on the fun with all of the other animals. Well, it's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Thank you for letting me read to you, and hopefully I will get to see you again soon. Bye!
Make sure to like and subscribe.